program chairperson to the dais, Chirag Goel. Please come to the dais. The chief guest for today's program is Reverend Father, Principal of Don Bosco School, Reverend Father Manoj Jose. He is here. On behalf of SRT Welfare Foundation and all the cricket lovers here, I welcome Reverend Father Manoj Jose for this evening. Now I request Treasurer Ryan Pratik Agarwal to come to the dais. I request the mentor of our organization, CA Yogesh Agarwal ji, to come to the dais. Captain of Rest of Siliguri cricket lovers, Pramod Agarwal bhaiya, please come to the dais. Now I request Captain of SRT 11 and President of SRT Welfare Foundation, Manish Tiwari. I would request Vijay Agarwal to escort the chief guest of today's evening, Reverend Father Manoj Jose, to the dais. Captain of the Rest of Siliguri 11, Pramod Agarwal. Please stay here. Also felicitate Vice Captain of the team, Nitesh Ghoshal. Lot of cricket tournaments. There is another league tournament which happens in Siliguri. We have Rahul Kejriwal of Avengers. I request Manish to felicitate him as well.
Good evening, everybody. First of all, on behalf of SRT Welfare Foundation, I, from bottom of my heart and all my members and all of you present here, welcome an inspirational figure of Siliguri, Father Manoj Jose, for sparing his valuable time in such difficult times. For a long, long time, since the COVID period has stretched so long, Father has been working very hard to shape the coming generation, and he is a central figure in inspiring all of us through his energy that he gives to all of us. Since we are very close to him in Don Bosco, we are very much updated about the regular events that have been taking place on virtual platform. Father, thank you so much for what you are doing for all of us, for shaping today's generation. Thank you so much, Father. I also know, and many of you all present here know, that Father is a very much a sports enthusiast. He's a very good basketball player himself. And just before coming, I learned that Father was playing basketball, then he went to get ready, and then he came here. So Father, keep this passion going. We all love it. Coming to this evening, friends, why we all are here today is because of test match. somehow the word test match, whenever we talk about, we all feel that it's boring. And somehow the performance of India cricket team in last month or so inspired many of us whenever we met on sports platform field to talk about Indian cricket, to talk about the way India saved the test match from being all out on the lowest ever test score and then coming and going on to win the series, the final test. So, idea just came to my mind, can we have a test match? And somehow on my personal Facebook post, I just threw a thing that if anyone is interested can contact me. And to my surprise, I received 71 applications from all of you wanting to participate to play a test match. Everyone started telling me that will people find time to manage a test match of 5 days. I felt let's go ahead and see. And when I happened to organize this, the match that is going to start tomorrow is a working day Monday and that will finish on Friday if it lasts that distance. So the energy and enthusiasm with which I welcome all of you present here is that you all have made this sacrifice to promote sports, to promote test cricket and also to satisfy your own passion. This is the thing that we live for and long for. Congratulations to all of you present here. I hope we all have a great evening together here. Thank you.
I thought the official match starts tomorrow. So to keep this program little lively, I have organized a small test match between the captains here. So I request both the captains to announce their opening batsmen to come to the floor. So we are having a small round of IQ test on test cricket. So from SRT he is the opening batsman and from rest of Siliguri Lovers 11 he is the opening batsman. So you can go that side. I will ask randomly, I'll ask few questions and let's see if you can answer. There's no toss for this, so I'll start with the rest of Siliguri 11. Okay, this one should be simple. Who is the first Indian player, no prompting please, who is the first Indian player to score a double century and a century in the same test? Googly, okay. So the same question goes for you. First Indian player.
Yeah.
So basically, first was a bouncer, and the next he was able to nick it across the ball. So first round goes to SRT. So you want to change your batsman or you want to continue with this batsman?
I will change.
Okay. So another question will go to you first. Who was the first Indian batsman to have scored a test century as night's watchman or night watchman? No. Incorrect. No. Okay, I can answer or you want to answer?
I want to answer.
Okay.
Syed Kirmani.
Okay, the answer is Syed Kirmani. He scored 101 not out, batting at number 5 against Australia at Wankhede Stadium in 1979. So we can continue with this batsman. Okay. Okay, this should be simple. This belongs to little to our generation. Okay. How many triple century did Sehwag score in Test cricket and when?
But I don't remember the batsman. I don't remember the batsman.
2. He says 3, you said 2. Okay, if it is third is the correct answer, then after he says you add the third one, okay? You say which other 2.
One against Pakistan.
Okay, Multan, yes. Google चल रहा है वहाँ पर. Okay, and next was? Okay, so it is 2. Okay, this is retired. Now I request Pratik Agarwal to come and introduce our chief guest.
Good evening, friends. As Don Bosco Siliguri needs no introduction, Reverend Father Manoj Jose doesn't require any introduction. Don Bosco School Siliguri is the best educational institution in North Bengal, or we can say in West Bengal, or we can also say is one of the best in India. To further add on, Don Bosco Siliguri was recently awarded with the Best Boys School category at Asian Education Award 2019. It deserves a huge round of applause for this. During COVID times, creating virtual platform on such a grand scale, like celebrating Children's Day, Republic Day, and the online picnic for the junior section, and the most happening event which was recently held, the Rectors and Parents Day. I don't know how many of you have watched, but it was a wonderful event which was done. It was all because possible of Reverend Father Manoj Jose. All these easily illustrates Reverend Father Manoj Jose as an inspiration for all of us. Let us all rise up and welcome Father Manoj Jose with a huge round of applause.
I request Father to please address the gathering.
Good evening, Manish, and all of you who are present here. I am very much thrilled to be here this evening. Initially, I was quite hesitant to come to this, the inaugural function of the first test cricket in Siliguri, for several reasons. First, I thought maybe it's a gathering of youngsters, young boys. But having come to this room, I've changed my opinion, and I take back all that sort of preconceived idea I have. I see many of you belong to several generations, in fact. Modi being the youngest, I guess, he was my student. Where is Modi? Yes. He was my student a couple of years ago. He's a very good cricket player as well. And many of you are younger to me as well, I feel. What matters is the spirit. Right? It doesn't matter how old we are, which generation we belong to which society we belong to. The spirit and love for the game. And today I witnessed a historical event that first time I see someone playing cricket without a bat and a ball, as happened a couple of minutes ago. Conducted by Sachin. Congrats to you. Fun apart. I would like to congratulate SRT for having come up with a very noble idea. I personally like to trade on untraded path. If you keep on walking with the traded path, there is no innovation, there is no creativity, there is nothing new, no looking and going about. That's what we are trying to do as DBS. And I'm so happy that all of you have collaborated, come together to play the first test cricket in Siliguri. Now there are 2 teams present here. I hope the number of teams increases and that you grow a large size and number. So congratulations to you, and thank you so much for having invited me here to be present this evening here. I feel that I am also very young when I see so many young faces here and the spirit that is seen among you. I wish to wish both teams the very best for the match. Captains, the players, keep yourself fit and safe, don't be injured. I see during the football matches in our campus, when the past peoples organize football matches, many lose their hands and legs, and I believe that all of you remain safe and fit till Friday evening, and that you have a complete 5 days of cricket match. Wish you all the very best, and thank you very much. And congratulations to every one of you. Since I cannot clap only for yourself, please join me and let's clap together for each one of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Father. That was our 2020 inning, because when we say the chief guest has spoken for quite a long time, so that would have been a test inning. But Father did a 2020 address to the gathering. Uh, the purpose of this launch event is because we are having this for the first time. So everything is new, everything is unique, and everything is going to be very precious for the playing 30, the two team players. So now we'll be unveiling the cap and the jersey. I'll request Father Principal and SRT President, and in fact I think everybody can be together with Father to unveil the jersey and the cap. We'll be unveiling the jersey and cap of the two captains, that is Pramod Agarwal and Manish Tibrewal. This occasion, request everybody to stand and witness this. I request Reverend Father to please place the test cap, open it and place on Pramod. He should wear it. And another unveiling of the jersey. Leather ball, but I came to know for the first time there is a special ball for test matches, and this test ball has been we have received the test ball from Calcutta, and we will get this also unveiled. I request Father Principal to even unveil this test ball. Both the teams will be fighting for one thing, the winner's trophy. It is right there in front of you, and let's witness it. I request Father Principal to please unveil this winner's trophy. Sometimes self-praise is very necessary. Hello. Sometimes self-praise is very necessary. So when I entered and everybody was telling I am playing for this team, I told I am not playing, but I wanted to feel like I am playing a test match, so I wore this sweater, white sweater, to make myself have the feeling that I am also playing this tournament. So today, as Father rightly said, I played the tournament without the bat and the ball, and I am very happy for it. And I cannot imagine how happy you guys will be who are actually playing this tournament. So all the best, guys. Have a wonderful time. Cherish this moment and do your best and enjoy, best of all. And I think those who are unmarried, you can tell your children, we played the first test match, and those who are married and having children, they can bring their children and show that your father are still like fit and we can play this game.
करवाने के लिए. So we all thought that to organize this sports, especially cricket, in an organized manner. So ultimately last year, and for any proper organization you need a banner. So we formed this SRT Welfare Foundation. Friends, our vision is pretty clear. We are dedicated to sports, especially to cricket. And I am very happy to share that, in fact, you all know that we have just completed 9 days, day-night cricket very successfully. So many teams participated there, and we really enjoyed that. In fact, all the participants enjoyed that. Now, this test cricket, and very soon we are coming up with a proper cricket academy at Canal Road. So, with the next year, I hope so, we would be able to give you a proper cricket academy, first cricket academy of North Bengal, in fact, in Siliguri. So, this is our vision. That's all. The way you are supporting us, please continue to support us. We are there. We are there. We will be there. That's all. Thank you very much.
सब दे देगा प्रशांत भैया. प्रशांत भैया ले रहा है.
Respected Principal Father, Mr. Yogesh Agarwal, Mentor of SRT, for giving us this unique opportunity. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. We would always be remembered, as Sachin Gupta said, the first ever test match. We are part of this history, making of a history, and we should all feel proud of this. I would like to especially congratulate the entire team of SRT and especially Manish Tibriwal for bringing the level of cricket to this level at Siliguri. We have started playing cricket at Sukna around 22 years back, and behind me there is Mr. Basant Agarwal, Mr. Ashok, whom we call Chacha. We all were this when we started around 22 years ago, and now the level that Manish and SRT has taken, we really feel proud, and it has brought about a revolution in Siliguri. And now everybody talks about the SRT tournament and CPL tournament in Siliguri. And as Mr. Yogesh has said, they are planning to set up an academy. We wish them all the success and hope it becomes a inspiration and a mode of in cricket. In Siliguri, generally we don't get very good opportunities to play cricket, and they are providing this for them. This is we will call it a social activity for them. So
we had discussed it lots of times before that also, but it was just in a light manner. But with that post, I began to realize that yes, this thing is going to take place in a practical, physical manner. And I definitely corresponded to him, and it was really a pleasing moment when Pramod Bhai asked me to be his vice captain. And Test cricket has always been something that I have enjoyed since my childhood days. I've been a cricketer from my school days, and that was the form of cricket which I enjoyed the most. Not just playing, even watching. In today's generation, most people prefer to watch. It's an age of short form cricket. That is what it is. But still today there are few people like me who enjoy Test cricket at its best. And this thing was again proven by the Indian team during the last Australian tour, that there can be nothing more enjoyable and nothing more pure in cricket than Test cricket. So with this spirit, and as Pramod Bhai mentioned, it's a gentleman's game, which has always been our motto in CPL from each of the team, that has always been displayed, and we would try to keep that spirit up all through the 5 days.
And with this, I would like to congratulate each member in both the teams, and we'll definitely keep up the spirit of cricket very high and have a enjoyable game all through the 5 days.
मैं अटल जी का एक बात कहना चाहता हूं। उन्होंने कहा था कि भारत कोई भूमि का टुकड़ा नहीं है, एक जीता जागता राष्ट्र पुरुष है। ये बंधन की धरती है या अभिनंदन की धरती है, ये अर्पण की भूमि है या तर्पण की भूमि है। यहाँ के नदी नदी हमारे लिए गंगा समान है, कंकर कंकर हमारे लिए शंकर भगवान है। हम जिएंगे तो उस भूमि के लिए और मरेंगे तो इस भूमि के लिए। और जब हम मर जाएंगे, हमारी अस्थियों को गंगा में विसर्जन किया जाएगा। उस बहती हुई अस्थियों में कान लगा के कोई सुनेगा तो उसमें से एक ही गूंज आएगा, भारत माता की जय। उन्होंने ये भी कहा था, इस देश में बहुत सारी पार्टी आएंगी जाएंगी, सरकारें बनेंगी बिगड़ेंगी, पर इस देश की लोकतंत्र अखंड रहना चाहिए, ये देश अखंड रहना चाहिए। और ऐसे ही सोच जब हम क्रिकेट की तरफ देखते हैं तो हमें मिलता है। जब इंडिया और पाकिस्तान खेलते हैं, मानो पूरा देश एकजुट हो गया है। जैसे कि भारत के ऊपर किसी ने धावा बोल दिया और हर जाति के, धर्म के, वर्ण के लोग एकजुट होकर खाली भारत माता की जय जयकार करते हैं, वो हमें क्रिकेट से मिलता है। और मैं बहुत खुशनसीब हूँ आज के इस समारोह में आप सबके बीच में अपने आप को पाते हुए। जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं, SRT वेलफेयर फाउंडेशन ने अभी कुछ दिन पहले डे नाइट क्रिकेट उत्तर बंगाल में सबसे बड़ा टूर्नामेंट इस सिलीगुड़ी वासी को उपहार दिया था। ऐसे ही ये 5 दिवसीय क्रिकेट होने जा रहा है काल से। मैं खाली इतना ही उम्मीद करता हूं कि एक क्रिकेट जीत चाहे किसी की हो, हार किसी को हो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, जीत क्रिकेट की हो और साथ ही साथ ये क्रिकेट 5 दिन तक हो। मैं बस इतना ही दुआ करता हूं और आप सबको शुक्रिया अदा करता हूं। जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम, भारत माता की जय।
सर, आपका नाम, डेजिग्नेशन?
मैं मनीष टिब्रेवाल, मैं SRT वेलफेयर फाउंडेशन का प्रेसिडेंट हूँ।
तो आज ये जो प्रोग्राम हुआ है इधर, इसके बारे में बताइए।
ये प्रोग्राम कल टेस्ट क्रिकेट हम लोग चालू कर रहे हैं। 8 तारीख से 12 तारीख हिंदी हाई स्कूल 11:30 बजे से 4:30 बजे तक मैच चलेगा। SRT टीम वर्सेस रेस्ट ऑफ सिलीगुड़ी क्रिकेट लवर्स के बीच में मैच है। रेस्ट ऑफ सिलीगुड़ी क्रिकेट लवर्स के कैप्टन प्रमोद अग्रवाल जी हम लोग के साथ हैं। मैं SRT टीम को लीड करूँगा एंड ये 5 दिन तक क्रिकेट चलेगा। ये सिलीगुड़ी के लिए एक फर्स्ट टाइम होने का एक ऐसा मौका सिलीगुड़ी को मिला है, जिसमें काफ़ी जो क्रिकेट से जुड़े हुए हैं, जो पैशनेट हैं, वो खेलना चाहते हैं। और हमने मिलके 2 टीम बनाई है 30 लड़कों की। उसी से रिलेटेड आज ये लॉन्च पार्टी थी, जिसमें हमने जर्सी को अनवेल किया, कैप को अनवेल किया, टेस्ट कैप जो इतना प्रेशियस माना जाता है, टेस्ट मैच बॉल को अनवेल किया, विनर्स ट्रॉफी को अनवेल किया और एक मोमेंटो की तरह एक बैट पे भी सब प्लेयर्स प्लेइंग 11 का सिग्नेचर करवाया। इस इवेंट को ग्रेस करने के लिए डॉन बॉस्को स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल फादर मनोज जोश यहाँ पे एज चीफ गेस्ट आए। यही प्रोग्राम की लॉन्चिंग हमने आज इस द डेक में की।
थैंक यू सो मच।
खुट्टा सुनिनु भएको छ। मलाई चाहिँ कोल्ड कफहरू थियो र मलाई यहाँको दबाईले सुट गरे, म एकदमै जाती हुँदै थिएँ।
तपाईको थाइरोइड कस्तो भयो?
एकदमै राम्रो भयो।
मेरो चाहिँ यो ब्याक पेन हुन्थ्यो पुरा, साइड पेन हुन्थ्यो कि यो ब्याकमा, निकै सन्चो भएको थियो।
अहिले चाहिँ धेरै सन्चो छ।
खुट्टा घुँडाहरू, खुट्टा दुख्ने, हातहरू दुख्ने त्यो अहिले धेरै कम्ती भयो।
तपाईलाई ब्याक पेनहरू सन्चो भयो अहिले?
हाम्रो ठेगाना छ सेन्टर पोइन्ट बिल्डिङ फर्स्ट फ्लोर HD लामा रोड अपोजिट टु ग्रान्ड प्लाजा शपिङ कम्प्लेक्स जनता लज दार्जिलिङ। सम्पर्क नम्बर छ 9641995791 अनि 7001155412।
टीना का घर बनाने का टोटल समाधान बाजार भाव से हमारे यहाँ किफायती दाम। घर, दुकान, मकान, गोदाम बनाने के लिए टीना, प्रोफाइल सीट, रंगीन टीना, पाइप आदि सामान की नई दुकान टीना लगाने के लिए मिस्त्री भी हमारे यहाँ है उपलब्ध। महावीर स्टील, 3rd माइल वेगा मॉल के सामने, चौधरी कंपाउंड।
कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर 9709970981।
50 से 70% कम कीमतों पर लाजवाब डिजाइन, ब्रांडेड फर्नीचर, गारंटी सहित मजबूती का वादा। मौका है यही, बना लो इरादा। बेडरूम सेट, सोफा सेट, डाइनिंग सेट, आउटडोर या ऑफिस फर्नीचर से लेकर मॉड्यूलर किचन उपलब्ध है। कम कीमत में बेहतरीन गुणवत्ता का पूरा भरोसा। ऑर्किड बिल्डिंग ऑपोजिट वेघा सर्कल, 2.5 माइल, सेवक रोड, सिलीगुड़ी।
International Furniture, unbeatable price. Visit a Royal Oak store today.